Assalamu alaikum. Okay, I'm recording this video so that I can guide you how you can use Geogebra in line with Illustrative Mathematics, and it will help you in many of the lesson plans where so much material is required and you sometimes cannot find. For classroom, for example, algebra tiles can be, fraction strips could be, or some ratios where you need some slenders or something. So if you're not getting material in hand, physical material, then you can use this manipulatives and this interactive websites to complement uh, the lesson plans. So what you will do, you will simply open geogebra.org, and in the search bar you will search illustrative mathematics. You will get resources here, illustrative mathematics, especially from 6 to 8. So here you can see they have given both the material for 6 to 8 and 9 to 12, and also for K5. So let's go to 6 to 8 first. Then it will show you all three curriculums. So you will go to 6, for example, and then you will have all the units that you have on illustrative mathematics. Let's say we are going to ratios, then you will have all the lesson plans that you have in that particular unit, and each of these lesson plans you will find two materials, if one for teacher and other for students. So for example, let's explore lesson number 4. It requires too much material for classroom. You need colors, you need cups, and you need to have graduated cylinders for students. So if you are not finding that immediately, so you can simply use it. So you will go to student material. So first, before I start discussing what is in the manipulative, I would like to share how you can use it in classroom. You will simply ask a student to open geogebra.org in their laptops, and then you will share this code from here, right? So this is the code for this material. When they will search in the search bar, they will find this page and they can easily start using it, right? So, and here you see you have all the lesson plans that you required. Let's go to the first activity. So this was the first activity of the lesson plan, which was warm up, which was about mental maths. So still, if you want students to do mental maths like this, so they can also do it. Like for example, you can ask them to answer the first question and write it down, and I am taking round and I can check who is writing what, and one by one we will start discussing your strategies, and then you can move on to the next expression as your plan suggests, right? So this is your first, and this is the second activity. In the left cylinder, mix 5 ml of blue and 15 ml of yellow. This is a single batch of green. For example, they are saying 5, so they can add 5 like this, and then they can add yellow 15 times, so 1 5 5 and 5. So this is a shade of green that you are making. And if you want to show amounts, so it will also show the amounts in both of the cylinders. Now the target is to, you have to make all the instructions that are in the plan, you can see they are mentioned here. So you can ask student either to open and read and then have discussion first, so that activity could be launched properly and then they can start exploring. So what is this? Suppose you have one batch of green but want to make more. Which of the following could produce the same shade? Now for in the next cylinder, which is on the right side, they need to make the same shade of green color, and but in the larger quantity. So they have to decide what should I do, how much blue and how much yellow should I add in it. So here you have instruction for all of it. If you are unsure, try creating the mixture in the right cylinder. Start with the amount in a single batch. You can, in this cylinder they are saying start with what you did for the left cylinder. So start with 5 blue, sorry, and 15 yellows like this. Now you want to increase it out, right? So what, how much blue, as you will add blue it will change its shade, and as you will add yellow it will also changes its shades. So they have to make the same shade. So if they are not using any concept, they are not using any calculation, they can use a try and error method and produce the same, and it will show when they are in matching, right, when they are matched. What? So add 20 ml of blue and 20 ml of yellow. So instructions are given. So what happens if I add 20 ml of this? I can reset this. 1 2 3 4, which is 20 ml. 1 2 3 4, which is 20 ml. And then you can write in your answer here. So do you think, is it this, is it matching? No, it is not. Double the amount of blue and the amount of yellow. So now here we have 5 and 15. So if we double it, make it 10 and make it 30, so they are in matching, so it matches. Triple amount, then mix a mixture batch with a double batch, double the amount of blue and triple the amount of yellow. So you can ask them to make a different things and then come up with when where you get the same result or same shade of green. So they will find that when we double both the colors, when we triple both the colors, we always get the same shade. So and then you can proceed with the other activities which are given in the applet. So whatever questions are in your lesson plans, so student can easily write their answers here. They will be writing their answers, and when they will be writing, you can see them on your screen. But I will discuss that in the later video. As far as this manipulative is concerned, if you are not creating any classroom, so you can simply ask them to search with the code and then start working it. So while they are working, ask them to just keep your answer displayed on your screen. I am taking round and I will decide, I will keep on moving on. When you are done, just keep it mentioned and keep it displayed. So you can use this manipulative if you do not have material for classroom. Thank you so much. Hope you have understood this. If you have any query, please feel free to ask me again. Thank you so much.